What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new update on Ripple and XRP. I wanted to do a quick update on that after we have obviously had very volatile days. We had that huge spike on Tuesday, and then yesterday obviously we had the interest rate coming out by the Federal Reserve. That made the market move a lot as well. We actually initially dropped down quite hard, but we did manage to hold our main support level at 41 cents. For XRP. So just wanted to do a, first of all, talk about the fundamentals a little bit. We need to with Ripple, of course, fundamentals for Ripple specifically and for the market, and then we'll talk about the technicals. I gotta be honest, I struggle a little bit with the technicals of XRP. I've always done that. It moves very differently from other cryptos. Sometimes that's a good thing. In my case, that's a bad thing, but still I'll try to give you at least an understandable and an and my take on that with some arguments on why I think that way. So that's what we're going to do. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join the trading signal group. It has been very profitable since the beginning, but there's also proof there. All right, so XRP. We're very bullish because of, a little bit of hype because of the Ripple SEC case, which, by the way, we have no updates on. So it's waiting for that. It's quite probable and it's quite likely that we'll have more information in the next at least 3 months. That's a conservative estimate, I know. And then yesterday with the interest rate, we initially were quite bearish, but then we bounced back up together with the entire market. And XRP, to be honest, was even stronger than some other cryptos. So there's definitely bullish momentum with XRP right now. Now the chart is a little bit of a mess, but I think we found resistance at 45 cents. That's really our main resistance between 46 and 45. You can see the 618 and the 0.5 fib of this bearish move there. But it's also just a respected level, which you can also see in the past here. That's 45, 46. It's strong. So that's what we're struggling with. Do I think we can break above that? Yes, I do think so. But what we would need to do, I think as well, is stay at least on top of 43 cents. You can see that there we have the 382 fib, which is a Fibonacci level we broke above. We also got one of these orange lines, which is a line of a Fibonacci retracement level of some time ago. Pretty strong, even though we have not really respected it. I would argue that if we want to break above 45, 46, that we would need to hold 43. If we can stay on top of 43 for the next 24 hours, that means, and that it's an indication that there's bullish momentum, that we can stay on top of the levels we broke above, which leads me to believe that then we would be able to break above 45 cents and go up to our previous resistance levels at 48 and 47. And from there, we'll see whether we can actually break that and get up to that 51 cents level. But I gotta be honest with you, I think if I take a look at the support that we have right now and the resistance, and I know what usually happens when XRP was bullish like this, and in this case it was bullish without proper reason, I think it's more likely that we will not be able to hold that level around 43 cents. I think it's more likely that we'll drop down to our next support level, which is strong as well, around 42.5 cents, so pretty close under 43. But that will find support there, take a break retest off of 43, 44, and slowly start dropping down towards 41 and ultimately perhaps even 40 cents. But that's something I'll have to monitor and update you on. But I think that's more likely. That's still very bullish compared to the last couple of days and last week, but what you saw, for example, with the spike that we had with XRP back in September, you can also see that we spiked up towards 55 cents, but then eventually we dropped back down all the way to 42 cents, which is quite a big drop. And here we actually had news about the Ripple SEC lawsuit, and now we haven't really had that. It looks like more of a normal market move, considering that Bitcoin has been bullish for weeks now. Or for a week and a half. But yeah, so I think it's more likely that we'll drop. But obviously, if we receive new news about the Ripple SEC case, we will rally. All right, and I'll be there as soon as possible to cover you on that. But this is mainly based on the fundamentals that we know right now and the technicals that we can see on the chart right now. So that's my take on XRP. If you have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.